Sarkodie. Sarkodie is an African rapper. Some regard him as the greatest rapper of all time. This guy is very intelligent. His composition of words, the combination of his words to form his lyrics is super amazing. I mean, you love this guy. Actually, this is a clip of him trying to make a video clip, a video shoot, a music video shoots precisely, and I can say that he's been doing amazingly well. The rap skill, everything is too sweet. And come to think of it, it's a phone they are using to make this shoot. So you guys, these are very interesting stuff to watch. I enjoy the guy. Just been staring at him is giving me. I mean, it's giving luxury, it's giving intelligence and all of that. So yeah, you guys watch him do his thing and tell me if he's not worth the hype, right? I guess you join me.
I was supposed to be sleeping on this couch, yes. I was supposed to make it out of the ghetto, a couple mama in the building, and buy myself a couple houses. Bitch, I'm trying to touch a meal, put the pussy on the side, give me space, make it look like my trousers. This beat came, I was already doing it. David Doe started when I was improving it. And then the double came through, black, and used to watch I kept going. You thought I was losing it? I think that competition is coming in cold. So now I'm touching the clock, making some dough. I see the microphone and I'm ready to go. The more rap shit, I'm just looking to throw. It's easy, telling that truth. I'm passing test like too light. I swear this shit is too light. I got a bread, I'm too white. I'm about my bread, I'm so tight. Snipe these rappers on sight. You fuck with me, I'm on strike. I put in the work, we don't hype. When it comes to this, I'm too nice. When I get out of the I was thinking of myself in the O2. I never gave up on the dream when I was pushing. Even if you do it, you're coaching. Started switching up the beat, now I'm busy, then after this, I never was like everybody they coached you. I had a feeling I was gonna live it out. I had a people see me with my money where my mouth is. Come on, brother, my man, I'm gonna send them any cash. I'm missing this, I'm sleeping on the couch. I was going to make it out of the beginning when my mama was going to buy myself a couple houses. Just trying to touch a minute, but you see on the side, give me space, make it look like my trousers. When this kid came, I was already doing it. David Doe started when I was improving it. And then people came through, black, and used to watch I kept going. You thought I was losing it? I think this competition is coming in cold. So now I'm touching the clock, it's getting some dough. I see the microphone and I'm ready to go. Rubber rap shit, I'm just ready to show. The team is like a natural. I'm passing test, I'm too light. I swear this shit is too light. I got a bread, I'm too white. I'm about my bread, I'm so tight. Snipe these rappers on sight. Me, I'm on strike. I put in the work, we don't hype. When it comes to this, I'm too nice. Woo!